Good morning, Ritvik. Anyone has finished?
No, ma'am. Farnas is
Nova.
doing. Yeah,
Yeah, do it, Farnas.
తీసేనా అనుకోండి
Use
ఓపెన్
both of your hand. In one hand button, and then another hand you take that hole, put the button inside that hole, and this is buttoning. Okay. And now when you remove it, this is unbuttoning. Okay. Come on, try and do it. Try and do it. Ritvik also do it, ma. Ritvik, Danvin, Zadi. Yeah. Good morning, Zadi. Good morning, Danvin. Button it and unbutton it. Okay.
వాట్ టు డు మ్యామ్
Have to take a shirt with buttons. You have to button it. The child has to button it, and then they have to unbutton it on their own.
ఓకే మ్యామ్
Parents should not help them. Okay, Mazadi?
okay.
Come on, do it. Darshika, trying very hard, Darshika.
Not shirt.
No shirt, a t-shirt. T-shirt you have? With t-shirt also you can do. Yes, very good. Next, Vidyut. Who else joined now? Vidyut. Siddharth, Vidyut. Find a shirt there. You will have a shirt. Your daddy's shirt, t-shirt. Button will be there. No, see, I am also having a t-shirt only. If you have one button also, it's okay. Try it.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
ఎందుకు కొండ వేయడం
Farnas, finish.
Ma'am, what should we do?
Yes. Who's this? Janavi.
What you want to do?
Janavi, have to take a button. Okay, you have to button it and then you have to unbutton it. Okay, buttoning and unbuttoning. Okay, understood? Understood, Nova? Answer. See, ma'am is buttoning this t-shirt. Look here. Okay. Now this is buttoned. Okay. And now I'm going to remove the button. Unbuttoning. Okay. Come on, do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, do it, ma. Vidyut also do it. Anyone who has finished this activity, please let me know. I think Rohita. Show me, ma. I want to see how you have done.
రోహిత యు వాంట్ డూయింగ్ మ్యామ్
Do that.
Yeah, do it, do it. Yes, first Sarnika, show me how you have done. Next, Rohita. Okay.
ఓకే మ్యామ్
First, Sarnika, show me. Sarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it in front of me. You have to do. I can't see how you are doing.
எல்லாத்தையுமே இருக்கு
Only one is also enough. Sarnika's mom, one button is enough. Let them do it.
Finish.
Finish. Very good, Nukshita. Nowadays you are becoming very smart and fast also.
ఫస్ట్ ఇలా
Ma'am.
That's it.
Ma'am.
కొడు ఆంట కట్టే
Who's that?
Okay, ma'am.
Nitila, finish. Do one button for me and show me. Remove it.
Button.
And again you button it. Hey, cheating, Zadi. Do it. फिर से करो.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. JD itself no buttoning, ma'am.
మ్యామ్ షీ
Do it, Zadi. Very good. Tarnika, finish. Good, ma, Tarnika. Well done. Well done. Next is Rohita.
also did not.
Vidyut also, va. Really?
I can't put it,
I thought
ma'am.
it's difficult activity, but children, you are all doing it very well. Come on. Ritvik also did.
Okay, open.
No, you should not remove like that. Not like that, Siddharth. In a proper way, you have to do. Don't do like this.
Right.
What, ma, Ritvik? You did,
I can't put it inside.
You should not say like that, ma. You should do. You can do. Come on, try it. Try. It's a easy work only.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, ma. Farnas.
Do it.
Do it. I'm watching you,
She's
Farnas.
doing,
Do
ma'am.
it. Yeah, do it.
He wants to. Unbuttoning.
Very good, Farnaz. Correct way. Correct. Both the activity you should do. Button it and you have to unbutton it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll finish with Farnaz and I'll come back, children. 1 minute.
பட்டனை பிடி
Very good, Farnaz.
பட்டனை பிடிங்க
Yeah, she finished, ma'am.
Your eye and hand should coordinate together, children. Very good, Farnaz. Well done. Perfect.
இந்த இப்படி
Using both the hands, your eye and your hand should coordinate with each other. Okay, then only you can do that activity.
போல்ல வைங்க கரெக்ட்டா
Otherwise, it will be difficult only.
பண்ணுங்க
Hereafter, you will wear your own button by yourself.
இது வச்சு
Yes, ma Dhanvin.
போல்ல கரெக்ட்டா வைங்க
Very good, Farnaz. Really good. Nice. Yes, ma. Darshika, finish. Huh? Darshika, Dhanvin, show me how you have done. Unbutton it now. Unbutton it.
saying கஷ்டமா இருக்கு.
It will be difficult only. Nothing is difficult in this world. Everything is easy only when we learn. Okay, we should try.
மேம் ட்ரை பண்ண சொல்றாங்க
Try.
ம் போல்ல பேபி
Yes.
Dhanvin, first you should hold the shirt on your own, Dhanvin.
குடி குடி
Don't get help from your parents. Look at the hole where it is. Catch the button in one hand. Let the button go inside that hole and take it out.
நான் கத்து
Yes,
தரேன்
for that you have to focus on the button and that hole, that gajra.
இங்க பாரு பட்டனை இப்படி பிடிங்க போல்ல இப்படி வைங்க இப்படி வெச்சிட்டு
Very good, Vishank. There.
இங்க புஷ் பண்ணுங்க இந்த ஃபிங்கரால புஷ் பண்ணி
But Vishank, see how nicely your daddy is teaching you, but you are not at all listening. Why? Ah.
ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല അത് ഓട്ടിന്റെ ഉള്ളിലിട്ട് അത് പുറത്ത് വരും
இந்த கையில இந்த பட்டன்
Both the hands you should use, children.
എന്തോ
Catch the shirt with both the hands. Come on.
പിടിച്ചിട്ട് ഇത് ഓട്ടിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ ഇടണം.
See, one time ma'am is going to show you. All of you look here first. Look here. Look at the screen. Look at ma'am. See, ma'am is holding the button only. And I'm holding the hole here. This is the button hole here. Okay. Now I'm going to put the button inside the hole and I'm pushing it through the hole. Okay. I'm pushing it through the hole with my thumb finger. When it comes out, I'm taking it out. Yes. See here. When it comes out, I'm taking it out. Yes. And then again the same way I'm coming back. I'm again letting the button inside the hole and I am removing it. That's it. The main trick is with your left hand hole. That is the trick. If you do that correctly, no, then everything will be easy. Very good, Rohita. Tired,
Yes, ma'am.
Tired, For button activities. For button activity itself, you are tired. Okay, children, take your own time today. Fully, you practice this activity at home. Tomorrow morning, I want everyone to show this activity.
She
Okay,
doing
I want-
2 buttons, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Very good, Rohita. Okay, those who didn't do, come on, try it the whole day today. Try it with that shirt. Tomorrow morning, I'll see whatever you're doing. Okay? Good, very good. Now, who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Let's start the session. Who is going to say Kids Anthem, children? Who is going to say? Dhanvin? Who is going to say? I can't hear the name. Janavia. Janvi or Dhanvin? Dhanvin. Okay, come on, Dhanvin. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Join your hands, close your eyes. Everyone, no cheating. Rohita is not closing her eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes, Rohita. I can watch everyone. Come on, Vishank. Good. Come on, start. Dhanvin. Kids Anthem.
Lord of me, Lord of the fly, Lord of me, my potential is fly. Lord of me, unique fast fly, unique habit, my potential is fly. Today I expect Lord of my, I have you, my potential is fly.
Yes, open up your eyes. Good morning, children. Unmute and tell me good morning. Come on, a fast and loud good morning to ma'am. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your good morning. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, now come on. What is our activity? Yes, we are going to jump for 12 times. That too, how will we say? We are going to jump and do the activity. We are going to say the months of the year. Ready? All of you stand up. Stand up. Ready? Who is going to say today? Months of the year. Okay, Hashni first. Hashni only in all of the game. Okay, come on, Hashni. Ready, Hashni.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December.
Very good, Hashni. Well done. Okay, children. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yes, very good. Now we are going to do the action words. Okay, how will you run? How will you run? Run, all of you. Karthikeyan, run. Run, all of you. No sitting in your places. Run. Okay. Now jump. Jump, all of you. Jump. Yes. Now, how will you brush? How will you brush? Brushing.
The
Brushing, how will you do?
suno.
Brushing, how will you do? Brushing. Yeah. Bath. Taking bath. How will you take bath? Comb your hair. Comb your hair. How will you comb your hair? Vidyut. Come on, do it, Vidyut. Comb your hair. Yes. Now eating. 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 How will you eat? Very good, Vidyut. Eating. Okay, now drinking. 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 Zeddy. Drinking. Very good, Janavi. Really, you're drinking, huh? Okay. Now, and the last is laughing. How will you laugh? Nitila. Very nice. How will you laugh? Yes, okay. And now a rhyme for you, okay? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. How will you turn around? Yeah, good, Dhanvi. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump up high. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Unmute and shout hooray. Unmute and shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Very good, very good. And next time is going to be roly-poly. Are you ready for roly-poly? Correct actions you have to do it, children, okay? Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly, down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, right, right, right. Roly-poly, roly-poly, left, left, left. Roly-poly, front, front, front. Roly-poly, back, back, back. Roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. Roly-poly. What is this?
Fat.
Fat, fat, fat. Roly-poly. Tin. Very good, ma. Roly-poly. What is this?
Tall, tall, tall.
Very good, Pranita. Tall, tall, tall. Roly poly, roly poly.
Short, 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 short.
Short, short, short. Roly poly, roly poly. What is this?
Open.
Open. Roly poly, roly poly.
Close, close,
Close,
close.
close, close. Roly poly, roly poly. Slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly, roly poly. Fast. Well done, well done. Very good, children. And now, ready for the bird activity? Before that, we are going to do one craft, okay? Are you all ready for that? For that, I need a color paper or A4 sheet like this, a small paper. Yes, it can be a color paper. It can be a A4 sheet, whatever it is. And then you are going to make a cone like this. Okay, you are going to make a cone and you are going to stick the end here. You are going to make a cone like this and stick it. Okay, and then in both the ends, you are going to make a hole and you are going to tie a thread. Whatever thread you have, you can make the hole using a pencil also. And then you are going to tie a thread in both the holes. Yes? Can anybody tell me what activity is this? Can you just guess? What can it be? What?
Attendance.
No, attendance is not over. We'll do this activity. Then only I'm going to take attendance.
Okay, thank you.
Small paper, small square shape paper is enough. Even if it is white paper also, it's okay. If you have color paper also, it's okay. Today we are going to make the beak of a bird. Beak. Okay, yeah. We are going to make a cone like this and then put 2 holes in it. Tie thread in both the hole and then you are going to tie it in your nose. Yes? Nice, Vanilla ma'am? Come on, do it. And then you have to bring that towel also for that feather, for that wings, sorry. Along with that wings and beak, you are going to fly today, okay? Come on, ready? You don't want that much big paper, Ma Kartikeyan. Only a small A4 sheet is enough. Sorry, square shape paper is enough. Small.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, do it fast. It's easy only. You're going to do it quickly. Use a gum or sellotape to paste it. Like this, roll it and make it a cone. Okay, and in this end, you stick it. Ready? Has anyone done? Rohita's mom clear? Any doubts? Farnaz, Rohita. Be ready with the towel also, children. Okay, let your parents do that. We'll finish off with our attendance by the time, okay? Let your parents do it. We'll finish off. Okay, first is Darshika. Darshika. Darshika.
Ma'am, JD's mother, ma'am.
Yeah?
What to do with paper, ma'am?
Take a
What to do
small
with
square
paper,
shape
ma'am?
paper, make a cone like this, and then put 2 holes in this here, and then tie a thread here. We are going to keep it here in the nose, and we are going to tie it back. Okay? Okay. Do it. We'll finish off our attendance.
Vanilla
Darshika.
ma'am. Vanilla ma'am, okay na?
Yeah, correct. Very good, Rohita's mom. Wonderful. Can you please show it to others? Everyone, you can see how Rohita's mom has done. Like that only it is going to be. Very good. Thank you so much, Rohita's mom.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Darshika, I'm marking you, Darshika. Next is Devkrish. Devkrish is also not here. Danvin.
My name is Danisha. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Okay, Dikshan.
Mute பண்ணுமா?
Dikshan.
My name is I'm in 4 years old.
I'm studying in junior KG. Very good. Farnaz. Farnaz.
I am studying junior KG.
Okay.
Good morning.
Hashini.
My name is Rajini. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old and good morning. I am
Very good. Okay. Janavi. Janavi. Tell me your attendance, ma. Nowadays you have become very naughty. Okay, Karthikeyan.
My name is Karthikeyan.
Counting and telling. Kavyani. Kavyani. Kavyani is absent. Okay, Naitik is also absent today. Nukshita. Nukshita. Pranita, mute yourself, ma. Please, ma. Mute yourself. Satvika, also mute yourself. Pranita. Sorry. Nukshita.
My name is Nukshita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm
Very good.
old.
Okay, Pranita. Pranita. Tell me your attendance, Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Okay, Rohita. Rohita.
I'm 4 years old. I'm junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. I'm studying.
I am 4 years old.
Very good, Ritvik. Nitila. Nitila.
I'm studying junior KG.
And 4 years old.
4 years old.
Very good, Satvika.
My name is Satika. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth. 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 Siddharth, you were there? No. Okay, Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Vishank. Vishank.
Yes, friends. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vishant. I am in
Junior KG. சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Vishank.
Word ready பண்ணுவா. I'm in junior KG சொல்லுங்க.
I'm in junior KG, ma'am.
What are you doing, Vishank, first? Where is your chair? Where is your chair? Where is your chair first?
He wants to stand, it seems, ma'am.
You want to stand, huh? If you are standing, you will move here and there. I want you to sit. Come on, bring your chair and sit.
Say, okay.
Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Vidyut.
Correct. I'm Judith.
Vidyut.
Studying.
junior KG.
I am
Very good, Vidyut. Zadi.
Son.
Very good, Vidyut. Zadi. Zadi, I'm marking you. Lakshana. Lakshana also I'm marking you. Thank you so much. Okay, ready? Ready with your beak? Ready with your towel? Ready with your beak and towel, huh? Yes, who's that? Diana. Sorry, Dhanvin. Very nice, Dhanvin. All of you tie the beak in your nose. Come on. All of you tie your beak in your nose. Like this. Yes. Yes. Why, Vivan, you are laughing at ma'am? You are also going to tie. Like this, you are going to tie. Okay, and then take your towel. Like yesterday, we are going to flap our wings. Yes? Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Come on. Tie it in your nose. Vivan, you have to tie it in your nose. Yes, Dhanvin. Come on, show it, ma, Dhanvin.
Ma'am, ZD's
Yeah.
attendance, ma'am.
Zeddy, I marked you, Zeddy. I marked you present only. If you want to say, you say.
Yeah.
My name is Zeddy.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is JT. I am studying junior KG. I am
Okay, thank you so much, Zeddy. Okay, ready with the activity, children? Ready? I want any one bird to see it perfectly. Where's very good. Good, Rohita. Very nice, your beak. Nitila also very nice, Nitila. Tarnika. Very good. Wow, Vishank. Very nice, Vishank. Okay, what is this? Come on, tell me what you are tying in your nose. What is this? Beak. What is this? Beak. Beak of the bird. Okay, beak. Rohita, see, ma'am is also tying. See here.
Ma'am also చూడు.
Yes,
అమర్
Parnas.
also వేసుకున్నారు.
Very nice, no? With beak. Okay, come on, take your towel with wings. Flap your wings and run. Jump.
అదిగో బ్యాడ్ థింగ్.
Okay, I'll call you one by one. You do the activity and show me. Okay. Okay, if she's crying, leave her. Rohita's mom. If she's crying, leave her. Don't compel her. If she doesn't want to do that activity, leave her. Just give her the towel. That's it.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Okay, first Danvin, come on, ma. Do the activity, Danvin.
అమ్మ కదా చాక్లెట్ ఏనా?
Danvin, do the activity.
Bird.
Do. Fly like a bird.
పెట్టుకుంటావా?
Wow, very good, Danvin. Okay, next Farnaz. Thank you, Danvin. Thank you so much.
వేసుకున్నారు.
Farnaz. And now you can remove those who have done. Farnaz. Yeah, 1 minute, ma. I'll finish off with Farnaz and then I'll come to Zeddy, okay? Rohita, mute yourself, Kana. Farnaz, can you hear me, Farnaz?
Yes, ma'am.
Farnaz. Come on, fly.
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 Very good, Vidyut, very nice for you. Very nice, Vidyut. I saw you. Very nice. Now remove it, then he'll start crying.
He wants to
Very
be
good.
home.
Yeah, very good. Farnaz also good. Then who else? Very good, Farnaz. Then who else? Satvika. Yeah, come on, show me Satvika. Very nice, Satvika. Good. Then Ritvika. Wow, Ritvik.
Ma'am.
Very nice, Ritvik. Good. Zeddy. Very good, Zeddy. Very good. Then who else? Nitila. Tarnika. Very nice, Nitila, Zeddy, Tarnika. Good. Very nice to see. Okay, next Vishank. Where is Vishank? Nukshita. Wow, Nukshita. Good. And where is Vishank? Very good, Tarnika. You can sit down. Those are finished. You can sit down. Ashini. Nice, Ashini. Good. Janavi. Very good, Ashini. Janavi, where is Janavi? I want to see Janavi, Dikshan, Vishank.
Batman.
Very good, very Birdman, very good, nice. Ritvik, you enjoy, Very good. Good. Yeah, very nice to see. Okay, thank you so much, children. Vishank. Vivan. What Vivan? Have become a sad bird, Come on, fly. How will you fly? Flap your wings and fly. Vivan. Ramp walk, you're walking. Okay, Vivan. Okay, nice. It's looking nice only for you. Okay, thank you so much, children. Thank you. Okay, now you can remove your beak, you can remove your wings, and you can sit in your place. Come on. If you want to drink water, go drink water and come back. Yes, ready, Okay, now sit down. Zeddy also sit. Everyone sit down. Yes. Today we are going to see the parts of the birds. Okay. So what bird is this? Can you see what bird is this? What? Duck. Okay. Now we are going to name the parts of this bird. Are you all ready? We all name the parts of this bird. Yes? Okay, now say hi to duck, everyone. Say hi to this duck. Yes.
Hi, duck.
Hi. See here. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hi, Danvin. Hi, Farnaz. Hi, Zaidi. Hi, Rohita. Hi, Tarnika, Dikshan, Hashini. Hi, everyone. How are you all? How are you all? Fine. Very good. You know what is my name? You know what is my name?
Duck.
Yeah, I'm a duck. Thank you, Zaidi. I'm a duck. Now, can you please tell what are the parts? What is this part? We now did the activity. What is this part? Huh? Beak. Yes, we did the activity, right? This beak. Okay. Beak. And where is the eyes? Where is the eyes for the
Where is the
duck?
eyes?
Eyes. Eyes. Yes. How many eyes they have? Only one eye, yeah? Only one eye they have? No, there is another eye here. I also have two eyes. One, two. Yes, I also have two eyes. And where are my wings? Can anyone tell me where is my wings? Wings. Yeah. This is my wings. Hi. This is my wings. This is my wings. And where is my tail? Where is my tail? Here. Here. And this is the leg. Okay? See here. Duck's leg. Can you see? Duck's leg. So all of you say bye to duck. She's going. Okay? She has lot of work to do. Now she's going. So say bye to duck. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Say bye. Wave bye for the ducky. Come on, wave bye for the ducky. Yes, bye everyone. Take care. Be a good children. Listen to ma'am. Listen to your parents. Okay? Okay, bye. Okay. Now the ducky is gone. Yes, today we have seen the body parts of the bird. Okay. Next we are going to learn 80 words today. Okay? 80. What is 80? Yes, very good, ma. Karthikeyan, still you are flying, ah? Not tired, ah? Sit down in your place. Very good. Sit down. Remove your beak and all and sit. Okay? Okay, children. What is 80? What is 80? What is 80? What is it? Huh? Sight words. Very good, Darshika. Sight words only. But what is 80? At. But we have learned 80 as at. Okay. Okay. All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. Today we are going to learn how to blend the sound with this word. Okay. What is blending? We are going to add the sound to this word at. Okay. So this is at. When we add this C sound. What is the sound of C, Hashni? What is the sound of C? C is ka. Okay. So ka at cat. Okay. This is ka sound and this is at word. So together when we blend it, it is cat. Okay. Now the next one is, what is the sound of B, Karthikeyan? What is the sound of B? B. B. And what is this? 80. What is this 80? 80. What is 80? 80. Oh my God. 80 is at. Okay. So now we have to join B at bat. Okay. B at bat. Okay. Next is Farnaz. What is the sound of M? What is the sound of M? What is the sound of M, Farnaz? Sound. And what is 80? What is 80? What is 80?
M sound என்னடா?
Okay. On what is 80?
80 என்னது?
80. 80 together. 80 together. At. So, at mat. Okay? At mat. Okay? And now next is, what is the sound of F, Ritvik? What is the sound of F? Ritvik.
Okay.
Ritvik, can you hear me, ma? What is the sound of F? You are doing the action. Tell me the sound, ma. Tarnika, tell me what is the sound of F?
Share the sound of
And what is 80? At. So, at fat. Okay, it's at fat. So, how will you pronounce if at
Ma'am,
fat?
kindly teach
Okay,
at once.
first is, sorry.
Ma'am, from the beginning onwards, Janvi
Yeah,
not
yeah.
at listen. Simply
Yeah,
she
yeah,
was
from the
playing.
beginning. One more time, I'm going to teach only. So,
Yeah.
no need to worry. Okay, first is, this is at. These all words belongs to at family. Okay, two more words also I'm adding to it. Okay, ready? What is 80? It is at. So we are just going to join the first word. This word only we are going to join and we are going to say it as it is. Okay. So k at cat. B at bat. M at mat. At fat. And then what is the sound of S? Okay. At fat. And then what is this? R. So okay. At rat. One more time. K at cat. B at bat. M at mat. At fat. At sat. At rat. Okay, so the at word remains the same. Only one thing we are going to add, that is the starting word sound. Okay, so 80 is at, that remains the same. So what word we are adding to it, that makes the whole word. Okay, so this is blending sounds. What is this? Blending sounds. We are going to add some more sound to the word. Okay, this is blending sounds. Okay, children. Okay, we'll move on to the worksheet. Today's worksheet, it's going to be D78MT. Today's worksheet, it's going to be D78MT. Right, today's date is 5/11/2020. Numbering worksheets you have 51 to 55 and the next sheet is 56 to 60. It will be here. This you need not do, only this worksheet you can do.
Second book or third book, ma'am?
This is D78, third book only, I think.
Okay.
Third book only.
Spell and write, Amma. 5151.
51 to 55, if you write that, that is enough. Okay, this is going to be a worksheet.
Worksheet number.
D78MT.
கை காலம் வைக்காது நம்ம இன்னைக்கு 22 எழுத போறோம்
Today's date is 5/11.
போடு குடு. எழுதணும் அது கூட எழுதி முடிச்சு நான் அம்மா தரேன் எழுதி முடிச்சோன்னு தரேன் கண்டிப்பா தரேன் அம்மா குடு சொன்னா தருவேன் இல்ல குடு குடு அம்மா
Nitila,
தரேன்
what ma? What happened, Nitila? D78MT, from 51 to 55 you will have. 5, 1, 51. Please spell and write. Satvika, spell and write, ma. 5, 1, 51. Spell and write. 5, 2, 52. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. And 5, 5, 55. Nitila, what number worksheet you are writing, ma?
22, ma'am. 2 to 22.
Number 22.
Yes, ma'am.
You got Max notebook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
If she had finished till 20, ask her to write in that notebook without seeing from 1 to 20. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once they finish till 10, from 21 to 30, when she finishes it, again you ask her to write from 21 to 30 in the math notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Rukshita.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish, Tarnika. Very good. Very good, Tarnika. Take your math notebook and be ready with that, okay?
Ma'am, finish.
Yeah, good. Take your math notebook and be ready. Take 2 colors in your hand, children. 2 color crayons in your hand. Take your math notebook and be ready. Any 2 colors, dark colors or light colors, whatever you want, take it and be ready with that. Write today's date also and be ready. Yes, I'm going to stop sharing. Finish all of you. Kartikeyan, Hashini, you can't write.
Ma'am, worksheet number, ma'am.
Worksheet number is D78 empty from number 51 to 55.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, Nukshita, finish. Okay, good. Tarnika, finish. Dhanvin, finish. Take your math notebook, children. Take a fresh page. Take your math notebook. Come on. Yeah, good, ma, Dikshan. Very good. Take your maths notebook. Those are finished. Take your math notebook. Take 2 crayons, color crayons in your hands. Different colors. Then Dikshan. Come on, take your math notebook, Dikshan. Ready? Finish, Rohita, finish?
Yes,
ma'am, finish.
Yeah, good.
Finish.
Take your math notebook, take 2 colors.
No, ma'am, Zeddy is not writing and start
Why,
coloring.
ma, Zeddy? Yesterday you wrote 5 worksheets. Today
I
only
started-
one worksheet.
Starting
Jaldi
coloring,
likho na,
ma'am.
Zedi. Activity we have. Come on, write fast. Jaldi likho.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, Zedi. ऐसे नहीं बोलते. Come on.
Starting coloring, ma'am.
Color will do. Only when you write will do. Otherwise, no coloring activity. You want coloring activity, then you finish it.
Coloring.
Then tomorrow, Ducky will not come and talk to you.
Coloring, ma'am.
First, you finish only 5 lines. No, come on, finish it. Good girl. You finish your numbers, then only we'll color. Take your math notebook, all of you. Ritvik finish. Pranita finish.
ఏంటి ఇలా చేసావు
Sorry, mom.
For
తప్పు
what you are saying sorry, Rohita? For what you are saying sorry?
చెప్పు మామకి
Today you don't want rubber and all. No need of eraser. Only two colors.
మ్యాథ్స్ నోట్బుక్ మొత్తం పెన్సిల్ పెట్టి
Why, ma Rohita? Pranita finish. Ritvik finish. Okay, I think we'll start the session. Come on. Okay, children. Today we are going to learn what comes next. Okay, what comes next? Okay, you have to find out what is going to come next. First, see here, listen to ma'am carefully. See here. First, ma'am is going to color one color, purple. And then I'm coloring pink. Yes, first ma'am is coloring purple and then ma'am is coloring pink. Again, I'm coloring purple. Again, I'm coloring pink. So one after the other, I'm coloring it accordingly. Am I coloring the same color? Is ma'am coloring the same color? Yes or no?
నో
No.
No, right? First, I'm coloring purple and then I'm coloring pink. Again purple, again pink. Then what will come next? Next, what I should color? Pink or purple?
నెక్స్ట్ ఏ కలర్ వస్తుంది చూడు
Next, what I should color? Pink color or purple color? Anyone?
పర్పుల్ వచ్చి పింక్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏం వస్తుంది
Should I color the same pink color or I should color purple?
చెప్పు
What I should color? Yes, Danvin. Danvin. Come on, tell me, Danvin. What I should color now? See, first I did purple, then I colored pink, again I colored purple, and then pink. Now what I'll color? Violet Vidyut. Purple, very good Vidyut. Now I'm going to color purple. Why I'm coloring purple? If I'm coloring pink, it will be the same color, right? Pink and pink, it will repeat one more time. So that is not correct, okay? So again I'm coloring purple. So now take your maths notebook. You have checks in that. Okay? Wait, I'll show you.
నెక్స్ట్
You have checks like this in your book, right? Now what you are going to do is you are going to take one color and color. Whatever color it is, you decided what you are going to color. First color one check. One check you are going to color. And the next color you are going to color the next box. You are going to repeat it again and again, okay? Now again I am going to color pink. But you should not repeat the same color, children. And then I am coloring purple. Now tell me what I should color next. What I should color next? Pink, purple, pink, purple, and then what I should color here? Pinka. What is that? Pink color. Yeah, good. I'm going to color pink. Okay, now after pink, what I should color? Purple. Very good. This is the way you find out what comes next. Okay? Yes, you should not repeat the same thing again and again. You will come in a order. Okay, now let me see. How are you doing the activity? Come on. One line, let me see.
మ్యామ్ రోహిత
Very good, Rohita. Purple and pink are you also? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. Well done. Okay, next, Tarnika. Yeah. Red, what is that? Brown and green, red and green.
Red and green.
Red and green. Are they able to identify? They should color, repeat, no, they should not color the same color in one line.
Yes, ma'am. Easily.
Okay, very good, ma, Karthikeyan, good. One more time you do the same thing with another color. Another set of colors you do it. Rohit also do another set of colors. Then who else finished?
Return.
Vidyuta. Dikshana.
Ma'am, Tarnika finish.
Very good, Tarnika. Blue and red. Very nice. Now another set of colors. Another set of colors.
And blue. Green and blue.
Blue and yellow. Green. Very good, ma. Nitila. What comes next? See here. Blue. Sorry. Green and blue. Green and blue. Green. Next, what will come?
கிரீனுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன கலர் அடிக்கணும் சொல்லுங்க பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க
Blue, blue, blue.
Blue. Very good, Nitila. Well done, ma. Good.
தேங்க்யூ
Simple concept. Very good. We should not repeat the same color, okay? Finished our coloring. And now, next we are going to learn with numbers. Okay, ma? Shall we learn with numbers? Ready? See. All of you look here. Ma'am is going to write number 1. And now I am going to write number 2. Again 1. Again 2. Again 1. What I should write here? What I should write here? Darshika. See, I have written 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. What number will come here?
Two.
Who said the answer?
Two.
Ashiniya. 2. Very good. Darshika, I asked you, Darshika. Okay, another set of numbers I'm going to write. Not numbers this time, I'm going to draw the shapes. Okay, this time, who will say? It's going to be Janavi. Janavi, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Janavi, see, ma'am is drawing a triangle. Okay, and a circle. Again, triangle, circle. Okay, triangle. Next, what will come? Don't look at your mama. Circle, very good.
Oh, ma'am.
Oh, wow, it's a circle, Makana. Okay, see a triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. We should draw the circle here. Should we draw the triangle here one more time? Whether it is correct or wrong? If we draw a triangle here, it is wrong. Okay, have to draw the circle only. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to. Okay, this time I'm going to draw a pencil and a chocolate. Okay, see here. Chocolate, pencil. Okay, chocolate, pencil. Okay, again, what will come next? Pencil or chocolate? What will come next? Tarnika. Chocolate. Very good. Chocolate. Again, after chocolate, what will come? Pencil. Very good, children. Pencil. Okay, and then here. See here. Chocolate, pencil. Chocolate, pencil. What will come here? Pencil. Who said it's pencil? Pencil is already here, no? Then how pencil will come? Chocolate. Very good, Zadi. Okay.
Pencil. Pencil.
Yeah. Now next, what will come here? I've drawn a chocolate here. Then what will come here next? Pencil. Very good, children. Pencil.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Next one. Next one. Sad face and happy face. Okay. You have to do it in your notebook also, children. This is not just for learning. You have to write in your notebook also. Do it. See,
Ma'am,
first
Rohita, diamond and triangle. She.
whatever it is, you can do. Whatever you can draw, you can do. Smiley face, sad face. Okay? See here. Happy face, sad face. What comes next? Happy face or sad face? What will happy? Very good, Farnas. Happy. And then what will come next?
Next
Happy face, sad face, happy face. What will come here? Ashni, you are crying and showing it to me. Sad face. Good. Okay, sad face.
Happy
Okay,
face,
next
sad
see here.
face.
Happy face, sad face. Happy face, sad face. What comes next? Happy or sad? Happy face. Very good, children. Happy face. Okay, then what comes next here?
Next.
Karthikeyan, what comes next here? Happy face or sad face, Karthikeyan? Sad face. Very good. Sad face. See, like this, you have to do it in your math notebook, okay? And take a snap and send it to ma'am. You need not draw the same thing. You can draw whatever you want, whatever objects you want to draw, you can draw. You can make it with fruits also. Fruits, vegetables, anything, flowers, anything you want, you can draw. But it should be in a correct way. Okay, children, will you all do it and send it to me today? Yes? Yes. What is the name of this activity? What is the name of this activity? Anyone? What comes next? Okay, what comes next? Name of the activity is what comes next. Okay, you all understood this, right? Okay, thank you so much, children. Do it in your math notebook. Take a snap and send it to ma'am. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, Rohita. Bye, everyone. Bye. Yeah, bye, everyone. Bye. Bye, ma. Bye.